let me know what year, make, what's the story on this one?
Oh my God, I got a really good story.
It's a good one?
I've had this car for, I keep saying 15 years, but it's probably 18 years. I drew this car in like 2009. I sketched it out and I was like, man, I got to make this happen. Bought a car, a dilapidated shell of a car in Chicago. I had it shipped to me. Started taking it apart, did the chop on it. You know, always said I want to do green on it. You know, life gets in the way of.
Oh, yeah.
And finally got to finish it. Like 2020 pandemic came. And it wasn't that I had extra time, I was busy. But I was like, man, what if the world ends and I got this primered badass car? And so I said, I'm gonna dedicate time to fix it and get it done. And I finished it. We debuted it here at Grand National in 2022. It's everything I always dreamed of it to be. I planned it and changed it on the way to exactly what I wanted every time. I didn't compromise on my goal in any way. And you know what you see is the outcome of that. It's got a 5.3 LS engine.
What year is this?
Car is a 1952 Cadillac. It's got 1953 front end though. The reason I like the 53 front end is because of these big Dagmars in the front. You know, they pronounce, they look great.
We're gonna have we can keep walking down the drive here. I can show you.
You know, it's chopped 2.5 inches. Custom made swan mirrors. I got these mirrors and normally they stick out like this far, but I bent them and twisted them so they fit like that. I developed this one-piece system for this car. It's one-piece front windows, power windows, swivel front seats out of Monte Carlo, 57 T-Bird back seat. Gauge cluster is inspired by the Escalade.
Bring a handle in.
Interior is done by 818 Upholstery, Roger Perez, best in the business. Paint work is by me, Dan Go, Master Refinishing. Fab work is by me. Had some help from friends along the way, but you know, this is my baby here.
Bro, awesome.